The IRS has got this thing called a pre-qualifier tool. It's an online tool, and it really is garbage in, garbage out. So if you don't give them good numbers, they might say that you are a good candidate, but in actuality, you might not. The same is true with one of these big name firms. They're going to ask you questions to see how much you have in your pocketbook to pay them first rather than the IRS. The bottom line is they're going to take things to a certain extreme in order to benefit themselves rather than looking out for your situation.
And they actually put fear in them, Josh. Josh will tell you, we had a client recently that they said that IRS could possibly foreclose on their house. And Josh, you know, that wasn't even the truth, was it?
The only time the IRS will take your house away is you're somebody they can make a public nuisance announcement about. Like there were some certain celebrities, like Nicolas Cage, I think, and maybe Rihanna recently, that they really wanted to make a public spectacle about this person to put fear in the hearts of all Americans. But for this pennies on the dollar program, if you use that online qualifier, it only works with the information you give it. That's the same question that we're going to ask when we're having a conversation with you on the phone to see if you're an offer candidate. We don't give you a solution or an exit strategy from your IRS problem until we get to know you and your financial situation to make the best possible solution for you happen.
And you know, we're going to ask you initial questions. You need to be prepared to answer us. What's your last letter you got from IRS? Have you filed all your returns? Have you fixed the problem? We want to know if you liquidated everything, what that value would be, and we want to know what your monthly income. We can probably assess 90% of your case, Josh, just with that information.
Right. And then when it's all said and done and you owe a pile of money to the IRS and you can't possibly afford that in your entire lives, that's where an offer and compromise makes a lot of sense. If you have any questions, give us a call or schedule a consultation on my website, besttaxpro.com. We've been wonderful.
We work thousands, by the way. Between the two of us, we work thousands of cases, and you'll always get the truth, correct?
Exactly. I hope this has been helpful.